Hello friends, in this video I will show how to disable. Do you want to allow this web page to access your clipboard prompt? So to disable and turn off, click on this search. Now search here inet cpl.cpl. Now open this setting. Now here click on security. Now select internet. Then click on custom level. Now here guys you will see some options. So in this list you have to find out allow allow programmatic clipboard access. So just disable. Then click on OK. Then click on yes. Now apply, then OK. Now restart your system. So this is the method guys. You can disable and turn off. Do you want to allow this web page to access your clipboard? Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.